Hi, Dr. K. Can you tell us about Seed and Soul Collective?
Yes, Seed and Soul is a collective of midwives and different practitioners. So we're functioning as a collective to support mamas with resources. So we have Mama Circle here. We have different practitioners helping kind of pave the way through pregnancy and postpartum.
Can you please tell us about you and how you decided to get into chiropractic care for moms and their kids?
Yes. So I really wanted to do chiropractic because it was treating the whole entire person. And then I really wanted to specialize with kids because I loved kids. But
Oh,
not until I was pregnant with my first that I really wanted to start focusing on moms because there just wasn't enough resources for moms. The struggles that I went through pregnancy and through postpartum really helped me decide that, yes, this is what I want to do because I don't want other moms to suffer like I suffered. So
people who are pregnant or they've had their kid, what are the most common types of problems they're suffering from?
sciatica is a big one, pubic symphysis dysfunction, and those two are very debilitating. They might sound like, oh, it's okay, like my hip hurts or something like that, but they can get to the point where I've had moms come in with walkers. I've had moms get carried by their husbands into the office. And so I always say, let's address it before. And then birth trauma. Birth trauma is huge. It's like, why can't we just have new moms not suffer through their first birth? Get them the tools and resources, and then they're going to feel great and have more babies along the line.
Birth and pregnancy are hard enough, let alone having to suffer through pain.
Yeah.
What makes Empowered Mama Chiro different than other chiropractic offices?
That's a great question. So we're very personalized. So we see one patient at a time and we take our time. So our visits are much longer. We get to know you. I have repeat mamas call me from 2 years back and they're like, I want to get back in. And I know them. I know them by their name. I know their history. I know their family. So it's very personalized. But not only that, we really focus on the fascia. So we help open up the muscles and the ligaments and make sure those are loose before we get moms adjusted.
What are some issues that kids can have that people don't realize that chiropractic care can really help with?
Yes, so babies, when they're first born, they go through any kind of trauma. So birth trauma is real and it happens even if you have a beautiful birth. So a lot of issues that I see is a lot of tension, like kiddos are tight. I also see a lot of colic, reflux, and I see torticollis, so where they're like favoring one side, and that could lead to flatness. I also help babies with lip and tongue ties. So any of those kind of restrictions and lactation issues.
What does functional medicine mean?
Functional medicine is really getting to the root cause. So figuring out, you go to the doctor, you have these symptoms, and the labs come back normal. That's really where a lot of my patients come in. They're like, I've done everything. I still feel this way. I still have these symptoms. And so we could do advanced lab testing, which actually shows us what the root cause is. What is causing like someone to feel fatigue, hormone imbalances, things like that. Not being able to lose weight, but they've been trying. So we tie that into finding what is that root cause.
And then do you tie that in with the chiropractic care too?
Yeah, so you don't have to be a chiropractic patient to be a functional medicine patient, but a lot of our even functional medicine patients that start with us through telehealth, they want to come in and they want to receive the chiropractic care because it's all connected, the mind body connection. And so a lot of the times it's a combo, but those that want to stay functional medicine, they could just stay functional medicine as well.
You mentioned body work. Can you tell us about that and what that looks like in a visit here at your office, your beautiful office?
Yes. So body work is, I call it Empowered Mama Body Balance. And I use a lot of range of different tools. So I use my hands. I call it like mom massage. So it might look like a massage, but it's like we're going deep into those areas and focusing to help them loosen it up that cause pain. I also use different tools. And my husband and I work together. So he's actually certified in Graston therapy that has a ton of different tools. These are my tools, they're scraping tools, and they help dig through the fascia to get more of those muscles opened.
Wow.
And then we also have other modalities. So we don't like to upcharge on anything. So when you pay for a session, everything's included if you pay for the bodywork session. So we do cold laser therapy as well.
Wow.
So it kind of looks like this. We
Ooh.
have red light therapy. We have heart-shaped cupping. So all of that, and biomat is also a great one. So we have a ton of different modalities that just help the recovery so much faster.
Wow. Dr. K, what is one thing that you wish that women who were pregnant or just gave birth, what's one thing you wish they knew about recovery and chiropractic care that most don't?
I wish most women knew to start chiropractic care, and starting it with somebody who's specialized in pregnancy chiropractic care from the start, because that will help set up your body to not just only have a pain-free pregnancy, but also have a better and easier labor.
Who is your ideal client?
Pregnant moms and babies. I love taking care of mom during pregnancy and then meeting her baby afterwards and really
Oh,
helping them along the journey.
I bet that's so sweet. You have offices here in Peoria and in Scottsdale. Can you tell us about what is new for Empowered Mama Chiro and what's to come?
Yes, we have two different locations, and we're excited to expand our Scottsdale location with more classes and resources.
Oh,
So, really focusing on that whole family and providing that support and resources so they don't have to try to survive through pregnancy, they can just thrive through it. And so, we're introducing back group classes, empowered partner workshop, which is where dads are able to learn massage techniques to help
oh,
support mama through labor, baby bodywork classes. So all those resources, we're super excited for 2026.
yay. And how does someone get started with you as a patient?
The best thing to do is text us at
Okay.
925-444-5034, or you can follow our Instagram page, Empowered Mama Chiro, or you can also book online.
Thank you for being here with us
Yes.
today, and I'm excited to show everyone your office next.
Thank you so much for being here too.
Yeah.